Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Pemko number 169D. This is a dark bronze anodized aluminum saddle type threshold. This is a saddle type threshold. If you use your imagination, it looks like a saddle. That's where it gets its name from anyway. This is available in the A finish, which is a mill aluminum, the D finish, which is a dark bronze anodized aluminum, and then the G finish, which is gold anodized aluminum. They say that it's a commercial threshold, and it is. The fact of the matter is the only thing that really makes this less common in a commercial setting is the fact that it's only 3-inch wide. And this, by the way, is just a sample of the material. But 3-inch wide may not be that unusual if you have an unusually narrow frame. You could have a jam depth of a frame that is, maybe custom, maybe 4-inch, maybe even smaller. A single rabbet frame, they can get down quite small. It's 1/2 inch tall. So reference to commercial, in my opinion, is going to more so refer to the fact that the wall thickness of this item is a bit thicker than standard for things that you would see in a residential application. It's a heavy piece of aluminum, and it's because of the wall thickness of the material. Another handy place that you're going to see this used is in a, although it's a little bit tall, but a narrow threshold like this will be used in interior applications where you need to create a threshold by which you can help seal the bottom of a door. Think a door between a shop and a showroom, a retail application like that. Or people have also used this as an unusual offset saddle where they've taken it and literally ripped this down because they had 5/16 worth of material that they needed to bridge over, and that would literally sit inside of here as a custom offset threshold. It doesn't really matter how you employ this to solve your problem naturally, but that it's used in a variety of different instances. First and foremost, it's just a commercial threshold that you can install on any steel door, wood door, aluminum door, bronze, stainless, whatever you're installing, except that it's 3-inch, just a little bit. It's the smaller end of thresholds. Now this is just a sample piece, like I said earlier. I mean, it's literally a sample. Available on the site in several different lengths. If you have need for a custom length, by all means let us know by ordering the next longest piece or pieces, and just indicate in the comment field what length you'd like for us to cut the material back to. The reasoning is this. The first countersink is generally 5 inches or so off the edge. If you had to take a 4-foot piece and cut it down to 42-inch, which is a common size, you'd eliminate that first countersink. So you're not only stuck drilling it, cutting it to length, but drilling the new hole and countersinking it, okay? And it's likely that you won't get as clean of an edge as the factory does. Not really a problem to field cut a threshold. It's obviously something well typical for a door installer to do. You may not make a living installing doors. You might say to yourself, well, I want the countersink at the proper distance from the edge, but also the proper center to center as well. That would be a reason for having the factory cut it as well. So if you needed a custom length, order the next longest piece, indicate that in the comment field when you add to cart, and you're in good shape. The name Pemko is synonymous with all things weather stripping related. Not only a fairly atypical commercial style threshold like this, but door sweeps, perimeter gasketing, material made of aluminum like this, stainless steel, architectural bronze. And they have a comprehensive offering of all things both commercial and residential. And that link below this video to the manufacturer's page will allow you to pull up their full-line catalog and review all of that product offering. Any questions on the Pemko 169D threshold or any other Pemko product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.